Hey people, hope you're keeping well. Let's prepare and cook sardines today. I got some frozen sardines. I'm first going to defrost them in the water. I will leave them in the water for an hour, change the water and leave them for another hour. So defrost them for a total of 2 hours. Now scaling, gutting and cleaning. They are really delicate, so must be handled delicately. I'm going to cook them all in the air fryer in batches of 2 to 3. I will brush the first batch with butter and I'll try the second batch with a spray of olive oil. So here we go. I melted the butter so that it can brush well. I have the temperature set at 200 degrees centigrade and the timer set at 20 minutes for me to check and see if I need to add any more time. This is the second batch with the spray of olive oil instead of the butter. The olive oil batch turned out crispier than the butter batch, and that's how I like them. Thank Thank you so much for watching.